Hello, I'm Dr. Apollo. So let's continue our discussion on the global context. So this time we'll be focusing on economic, macroeconomic. So what is the effect of, when I say macro, that means big. So what do you mean by macroeconomic? So let's move on to that. So macroeconomic factors, these are factors that affects the businesses, whether they like it or not. So this will have a implication to the small businesses. So what is this? So economic growth refers to the increase in the value of goods and services produced by an economy over time, typically measured by gross domestic product or GDP. So example, in 2021, India GDP grew by 8.7% after contraction in 2022 due to COVID. So obligation policymakers seems to achieve steady economic growth to raise living standard and reduce poverty. Yeah, because if there's economic growth, that means more creation of jobs and money. So therefore, more taxes. Therefore, government earns a lot, and then they can support the services of the people. So business use growth indicators to forecast demand for products and services. GDP within the country. GNP, even including the businesses outside the country. So we have the GNP. So we're talking here at GDP. Okay, so World Bank rates a report in the World Bank. So employment, unemployment rates. These have an impact on the businesses. Definition: unemployment rates measures the proportion of the working age population that is employed, while unemployment rates show the percentage actively seeking work but unable to find employment. So this one have the government have the responsibility for job creation. So that that kind of thing, employment unemployment can impact the businesses. For one thing, like if people don't have a job, they have no money. Therefore, they cannot buy products and services. Therefore, if they cannot buy, therefore businesses don't have a revenue at the end of the day, end of the month. So so that's happened. That's the cycle. So the company wanted to sell to his customer, but customer don't have money. So that's because of the employment and unemployment rates issue. Example, UK unemployment rate was 4.2 in early 2023, reflecting tight labor market. But 4.2 is still okay, no? Up to 7%. Yeah, because ALP economy have factors for unemployment so that it will create more job and more people will be available. So that's the key there. No? I'm talking about economic point of view. Okay, application, but take note, this 4.2% can be subsidized by the government. They can, this is manageable. But again, the government encourages to have them to have job. Application high unemployment reduce, for example, double digit, no? High. Consumer spending and tax revenues, no? It reduce consumer spending. So the danger of consumer spending, when it reduce, it will affect the taxes, the creation of job, the production, the important exporting of raw materials. So everything in the within the business is affected, no? The entire spectrum of the business because of this one. For example, if there's a war, no? That's the situation. So you see now what happened to Russia, no? Anyway, the prevention government's fiscal parts. Fiscal means monetary, no? Financial, okay? Fiscal means financial policy. Uh, Companies monitor labor market conditions to adjust hiring plans. Yeah, if they see that there is no market, the economic is very grim scenario. Therefore, they stop the hiring. Inflation. What is this? Inflation is the rate at which general prices for goods and services rise, decreasing the purchasing power. For example, uh, last year, for example, in 2016, no? 2026 or 2016, uh, Pepsi is I can buy it for 1 dirham or 150. But now Pepsi is my 150 cannot buy Pepsi now. So there's an inflation. So the decreasing power of the dirham, that is what we mean by inflation. Before shawarma, you can take it 3 dirham. But now 7 dirham, 6 dirham. Therefore, my 3 dirham before can buy shawarma. My 4 dirham before, I can eat shawarma and Pepsi. That's enough for me. But now, my 4 dirham cannot even buy shawarma. See? So again, the power, purchasing power of the money is very getting smaller and smaller. The same money, not but this cannot buy anymore. So that is the definition of inflation. The power of the money is getting lesser and lesser. So therefore, we need to have more money for us to buy out. We need to increase our salary, employ more job, no, so that we can have producing power. Okay, that is inflation. Example, in the Eurozone, inflation peak at 10% or double digit. It's very alarming, no? So, October 2022, due to energy price surges. It's a problem. Okay, application. Central banks adjust interest rates to control inflation. So they print more money. That's the strategy. Businesses adjust pricing strategies and wage policies based on inflation trends. Yeah, because normally businesses they also imported the raw materials, and then when they buy it high, therefore it will go to reflect on the prices of the product. It's also very high. When they get low, then it will be get low. Just like that. Okay, taxation refers to the compulsory financial charges imposed by the government. Government is not making money. It's not there to engage in a business. But one of the political power of the of the state is eminent domain, taxation, and police power. So these three things now. The political power of the NST. No? Taxation, that means collection of dues portion belong to the government. Why? Because government is they are using the the space of the government, no? So they have to pay taxes. They provided the protection. There's a police, no? The land. They are using the land. So they have to pay taxes. Tax. No? There are many types of tax. No? So these are taxation sabi no? But just to give you an idea, ad valorem is a kind of taxes. No? The value of revenue portion given to the government. We call it ad valorem. No? And then we have tariff. No? Imposed on the import and export. No? One country enter product here, we collect taxes. We call it tariff. And then another thing is levies. No? Levies are the form of taxes that are collected as importing the product. No? When China import to the US, they US collects a levies. No? And then another thing is a duty. So for example, in the customs, no? When they enter a product, so the government will collect a taxes. We call it duty. So duty, levies, tariffs, ad valorem, and then there are many more taxes. But these are the common. No? So the government is making money through taxes only taxes. No? So if that's why in the United States they criminalize the uh, not paying taxes. No, Vice President Agnew put on jail. No, remember that when not paying taxes, the Vice President no are put into jail. So all people is paying taxes. So no exemption. Okay, so that's how because that's the only revenue the government has. No? If you they're cheating that, so how the government can function, how the government will get payment for the services of the police, soldiers, and then health and other school. No? So taxation is a very crucial thing to the in every state. No? Example, they okay increase corporation tax from, oh, there's another thing, corporate tax. No? I didn't mention. From 90% to 25%. Why? Because they thought that, oh, company is making a lot of money. So we have to collect them, increase the taxes. Okay, in 2023, for companies with profits of 250,000. Uh, okay. So that's the report, no? Asian Treasury 2023. Application tax policy affects consumer spending. Yeah, business investments and government revenue. Yeah, because when the government lowered the taxes, for example, some 10 years back, no, the US dropped down the rates to 1%. So everybody happy because a lot of businesses, the reasons for that is that so that the businesses can borrow money at 1% only, annual interest. No? So that will enhance the economy. uh, Very easy, very cheap, no? 1%. You borrow and then you put it into businesses and then you make money. And then company, the government will collect taxes. But again, the businesses is able to put their businesses because they can get money from any banks no? At 1%. So that's the what we call enhancing the economy. No? They have a term for that. Okay, so firms consider tax regimes when deciding on location for operation. Okay, so there are locations that's tax free. Example, a free zone company. Company is not zero tax. No? Realty, yeah, it's a zero tax. No? In Dubai, property is 0% tax. No? So very lucrative business. No? Unlike other, no? They charge you. So interest rates, definition interest rates are the cost of borrowing money, typically set by a country's central bank. Every country have central bank interest. So the US Federal Reserve increased interest rates several times, 4.25 to like so. Obligation interest rates influence consumer borrowing. For example, mortgage. No? If low interest, so they will borrow house and then rent. So they want to make it a cash flow, no? Or increase appreciation regarding to investments. No? So business investment and currency values. Investors monitor rate changes to assess market trends. Okay, that's all for today. So I hope if you have some question, you can drop in the WhatsApp. So thank you for having me today. Bye bye.